Hello, Cadonist. In this video, I will show you how we can create a line type that looks like this. We have a line with an arrow on it. A line type is a feature in AutoCAD used as an object property. And it's known that Hatch cannot go through the commands make shape and make line type, so we need to use a different approach. We will draw a line using the line command with a length of 10 units and place an arrow on it. The arrow is in the Arial font at position 25 BA. We'll use the single line text command, place the arrow, and align it to the middle and left. Now we can apply the make line type command. We'll name it Cadonist LineType, Lin, and choose a name for its type. Font arrow. We'll also write a description for the line. We'll select the start and end points, as well as the objects that make up the line. Now we'll test our line. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.